Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today we're diving into OneSimCard, found at OneSimCard.com. This service offers a convenient solution for international travelers looking to avoid exorbitant roaming charges. OneSimCard provides a eSIM card that can be used in a wide range of countries, allowing you to maintain connectivity without breaking the bank. Their website, OneSimCard.com, is your one-stop shop for exploring their various plans, understanding their coverage, and managing your account. They offer a variety of data packages, allowing you to select the option that best suits your data needs and travel style. Whether you're a light user checking emails or a heavy streamer, OneSimCard likely has a plan that works for you. OneSimCard simplifies international communication by providing a single point of contact for your mobile needs abroad. Instead of juggling multiple SIM cards or worrying about finding local carriers, you can rely on OneSimCard's consistent service. Their website offers detailed information on compatible devices, ensuring that your phone will function seamlessly with their SIM card. Before your trip, be sure to visit OneSimCard.com to explore their plans, check coverage in your destination countries, and order your SIM card. They offer a range of options to suit different travel patterns and budgets, so you can find the perfect fit. Staying connected while traveling internationally doesn't have to be a hassle or a drain on your finances. With OneSimCard, you can stay connected affordably and conveniently. Remember to check out OneSimCard.com for all the details and to get your own SIM card before your next international adventure. Their website provides a comprehensive overview of their services, including pricing, coverage maps, and FAQs. By using a OneSimCard, you can focus on enjoying your travels instead of worrying about staying connected. So, if you're planning a trip abroad, consider visiting OneSimCard.com to see how their service can simplify your communication needs and save you money. It's a valuable resource for anyone looking to stay connected while traveling internationally.